So this is our second cabin. A little different than the other one. We're on a horse farm. We got Penny the pig up here. Big giant 160-pound piggy pig. Fire pit. Volleyball tether game. Tomatoes in the yard. More horsies. Pigs in the barn back there. You can't see them. But let me show you inside. Alright. Come in. Beautiful. Oh, they had chairs here. They have a bunch of chairs out there. Oh, yeah.
He ain't got much. I told you to wait. You were too late. You know, he mentioned Cypress. I want to find out where it was. Who cares? Where he did it? Let's get out of here before he wakes up. Nice place. He could be out there. I've got it so much.
Full kitchen. Cha-cha-cha. Here's my room. The little room. The middle room. And the big bedroom. Cassandra won the big bedroom because she won the fishing tournament. But very nice. It was super quiet. Very pretty. Hummingbirds. Couldn't ask for a better place. So this is our glamping cabin. Persimmon pastures down in northeast Maryland. Had a blast.